Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. Hope you're doing well. I've been to the Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. They have some really good buys at the Dollar Tree. I'm just really making, I'm not purposely trying to make it my store, but every time I go in there, I find some good things. For example, I got this Rich Radiant skincare. It's cocoa and shea butter treatment masks. So what you do with this is you just apply it to your face and even it out. Leave it on 15 minutes, and voila, it evens out your complexion. They say it's a complexion corrector. All right, so I bought two of these. I bought two of them. Okay, and I wanted to start with this bag. I bought these two sponges. They are the Scrub Buddies, and I bought a green one and a blue one, and each one, is $1. It has two in it. I think these are great. This one is durable, scrub sponge, great for dishes, sinks, and countertops. And this one is a multi-use scrub sponge, great for dishes, sinks, and countertops as well. So I bought two of these. All right. Then I'm doing a basket up for my son. I bought for Father's Day. I bought him some of these wipes, the same wipes that I got my husband for the car, and trust me, he will use them. Okay, he he's the one that has 10 children, and all of the big ones have cars, so I know they'll make good use out of that. Okay, I saw these glow footballs, and of course you play with them at night or when it's getting a little dark and stuff. So I bought two of these. I think I'm gonna put this in my grandson's bag that I'm making of things that he's gonna be doing once he gets here. So that's for him. I bought two shopping bags. Put my granddaughter's that jewelry case that I made, the essential organizer. I'm gonna put that in here. I have another gift that I'm gonna put in here for her. I'll be giving that to her on Saturday. Those are two big bags. And okay, Max got some more sausages. He got two. They're in a blanket. He loves these. I bought two bags of those for him. And I also bought the cotton rounds. Take off your makeup and use it with stuff like that. I bought another big comb because I gave this one away that I had bought before. I gave it away. And I bought some um, cosmetic cosmetic brushes, and these are the Kabukis. And I bought two of these because I remember that name from somewhere. And this is one of the things I got for my son. And I kept the tag on it because it says sale $9.99. And this is an armor roll, armor roll extreme. Is for the wheel and tires. It shines up the wheels and the tires of your car. So that's one of the things I got to go in my son's basket that I'm making him. All right, so let me just put this over to the side. Okay, this bag here is some of the things putting in my son's basket. These are those wire cutters. Oh, I found this. I was happy to find the push and spray. Great scents. I bought two of these. I bought some goof off for my son. I bought him, here's another one of the sprays I bought. I bought some clamps. I know he'll use these. I found this little cute screwdriver. It's an 8-in-1 screwdriver set. So you see you have the little different pieces that you might use with the screwdriver, and you could keep them all in place. So that's why I got him that. That's $1. I thought that was a great deal. I bought him one of these handy shammy sponges that holds up to more than 5 times its weight in liquid. So I thought that would be a great buy. I bought some gloves. My son, he works outside as well, like his daddy. He works outside. He builds houses. That boy is so talented. He's a principal of a high school, but he can do everything else. Builds houses. He fixes up his basement. He's just so smart. He really is. That's my second son. All right, I bought these. I found some of these. These smell good. They're both cherry flavored. You could put them in your car. You could put them in the bathroom. Put them in your room, in your workshop. You can put them anywhere that you like, whatever your heart desires, and it'll be smelling so good in there. All right. Then, what else did I get? Oh, this bag is really heavy. All this stuff in here is stuff for your car. Uh, Octane treatment, tire stuff. All of this came out of the dollar store. Look at this. Um, Motor oil, fuel injector cleaner, super gas treatment, vinyl protector, protects your vinyl in your house. This is heavy. This is glass cleaner. This big bottle, that's heavy. This is power steering fluids. I bet you didn't know that you needed all of this stuff to keep your car going. Tire foam, this is tire stuff. This is fuel treatment. And this one is Emerald Auto Glass. It's a glass cleaner. So, I mean, that's a lot, isn't it? And I'm giving all of this to my son, the one that I just finished telling you about, although I have three sons. One of them is not here. He's in California. The other one, I won't be seeing him tomorrow. I mean, anytime soon. So I didn't get him any of this stuff, although he probably could use it as well. Oh, that's a lot of stuff, isn't it? Uh, okay. Then I'm not done yet because I also, I showed you that. That's the wipes and the cleaners. Here's another bag here. And I bought one of these storage cases to put all that stuff in for my son. I bought this for my granddaughter for that essential organizer I bought her. These are nice, colorful barrettes. I bought her some things for your hair. I bought some bobby pins for her. I bought these little scunchies, or scrunchy squinch, whatever. I bought, I found these, and I was going to play with them and see what I could do with them. They are mirrored frames, small ones though. I bought two of those mirrored frames. I'm going to try to work with them with my mirrors, see if I could come up with something. And it'll be wonderful if I could. Okay? All right. This here I bought to help organize my drawers upstairs. I bought 6 of them. See, it's this size. And they're organizers. I'm going to put some of the glitter, tape, and stuff like that I have in these baskets in the drawers. I bought these stickers. I thought they were so pretty. They're white. I bought 2 packs of them. Then I bought these rhinestones or gemstones. I bought 3 packs of the gold ones. See? And I bought 3 packs of the silver ones. Okay? And I think that's it over here. And one more. This is the last thing I got here. And I'm going to put it right inside this little basket. But what they are the Coca-Cola glasses. I just want to show you. He put them down in here. But I had bought the big ones before, but I saw these little cute ones like this, and I could not resist it. So, and this big one, this is the big one I had bought before, but I thought they would really go nicely together. Look at that, Coca-Cola, and then the little one. I don't know. I thought it was really cute. I think I'm gonna give this to my granddaughter. Uh, I think I will give it to my granddaughters. That's what I think I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna set it up and fix it up nice in this basket and give it to them. And this basket has a little handle on it. See, the basket was $1. All right, so that's it. That's what I bought from the Tree. Dollar Tree is Bay, honey. That is Bay. Dollar Tree is really doing it. I mean, you can really get some great buys from the Dollar Tree. So, guys, just want to encourage you to go out to the Dollar Tree, get some of these great deals that they have. You might have to spend a little time in there looking for the deals, and but you never know what you might find. The Dollar Tree, they get a lot of items that come from like Walmart, and they send them over to the Dollar Tree, and good for us. We get it all for $1. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Press the notification button. And once you do that, you'll be notified every time I put up a video. All right. Okay, guys. Love you much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.